Hi everyone, in this guide I'll show you step by step how to activate Windows 10 Pro using Command Prompt. This is a quick and reliable method if you've just installed Windows or upgraded your system. The first step is to open Command Prompt with administrator rights. This is important because activation requires full system permissions. Next, type the command slmgr/ipk your product key. Replace the placeholder with your actual 25-character Windows key, then press Enter. After installing the key, run the activation command by typing slmr/ato. This connects to Microsoft servers and activates your copy of Windows 10 Pro. If the activation is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. If you get an error, double-check your product key for typos and try again. And that's it. Your Windows 10 Pro is now activated, giving you full access to updates and all system features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips.